Welcome to my channel Finest Learning. Today we'll discuss dumping and its types. Dumping is an international price discrimination in which an exporter firm sells a portion of its output in a foreign market at a very low price and the remaining output at a high price in the domestic market. Here we are considering two markets. The one is domestic market and the second is foreign market. An exporter firm will charge low price in the foreign market and a high price in the domestic market for a same commodity. Now let's discuss the types of dumping. The first one is sporadic dumping. When the domestic production of the commodity is more than the target or there are unsold stocks of the commodity even after sale. That is, when supply is more than the demand, there are unsold stocks in the domestic market. Then the producer will sell those unsold stock at a low price in foreign market. It is possible if foreign demand for the commodity is elastic and the producer is a monopolist in the domestic market. That is, in the domestic market, if the producer is a monopolist, he can charge a high price and consumer will purchase as there is no other alternative to consumer in the domestic market. And for foreign market, the demand is elastic. The commodity demand is elastic. That is, the quantity sold will increase with the low price in the foreign market as the demand is elastic. Second type is persistent dumping. When a monopolist continuously sells a portion of his commodity at a high price in the domestic market and the remaining output at a low price in the foreign market, it is called persistent dumping. When the monopolists sell continuously a high price in the domestic market and a low price in the foreign market, this is known as persistent dumping. And here the foreign demand is highly elastic. The third type is predatory dumping. Here, a monopolist firm sells its commodity at a very low price or at a loss in the foreign market in order to drive out some competitors. So, that is, in order to drive out some competitors in the foreign market, a monopolist will charge a very low price or even having a losses so that he can drive out the competitors in the foreign market. And when the competition ends, he can raise the price and cover its losses. Here the foreign demand is less elastic. Thank you for watching.